I'd like to share with you a short sequence that will be helpful for cultivating balance and strength and mobility. We'll be using a therapy band. We're going to do some single leg postures, which is one of the best things you can do to improve your gait, whether that's walking, hiking, running. So I'm going to stand on the band and then bring my other knee into flexion. Keep the upper arms nice and snug and add some bicep curls. We'll do 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Keep the single leg balance and transition into airplane or warrior 3. And then we'll add some rowing. 1, squeeze the elbows in. 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Come on up to standing. Take both ends of the strap. Left hand, we're going to do side bends to the right. 1, 2, controlling in each direction. 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Cameo appearance by Kula. Take the ends of the band and step through. So split squat. I'll just turn to the side so you can see how we move the arms here. Keep the arms straight. We're going to press back for 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. All right, let's do the other side. So step about midpoint, do a knee drive with the opposite side, and we'll do 8 more bicep curls. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. And then peel that leg back into airplane or warrior 3. You can adjust the grip for your rows, bringing the arms up, squeeze the elbows in. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Lift the trunk. Take both ends in one hand and side bend. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Take the bands, one in each hand. Step through for a split squat and then take the arms straight back. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. So there you have it. There's a great little conditioning routine. Would be a perfect movement break. It can be a standalone mini practice. It can be added to a longer practice, but it's got excellent elements of single leg balance, both in the knee drive and in that airplane or warrior 3. Plus you get some added load with bicep, tricep, and rowing action. So give it a try.